this means, bruh. Don't make no sense. Yeah, hold on. Wait 1 minute. What was that? Tornado warning, stupid. Okay. Yeah, so then I was talking about, should we not be concerned about this? Do I have to do the musically? Should we not be concerned about this? Ooh, 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 ooh. Is that what I need to do? It's a tornado. Like, what could bad happen? All right. Look at the news. Okay, thank you, Dan. Alright. Warning of tornado. I advise you get in your house, lock all doors and all windows. And I suggest you get in the basement or some sturdy place that you will not get hurt in. And if I were you, I would get in your house right about now, cause I'm finna go. Okay, I'm an African Murasoka. I don't care nothing about that. I'm an African. I didn't went through tornadoes, dust tornadoes. I didn't went through rain. I didn't went through the fire Murasoka. I'm not scared of no tornado, Mora. Yeah, you saying that now? Hey, Mora, I say what I mean. Hey, Mora, Soka, don't be playing with me. Mora, I am a Googler. You don't tell me what to do. Okay, there is a tornado. There is a tornado. What you doing that for? Alright, you need to stop clicking like that. Say your words, or else you're gonna scrap. Okay, if we need to get to the basement, let's go to the basement then. No, it's 8 hours. Oh God, dang it! Oh God, what the fuck? I didn't tell me he was going to shake like this, water. It's a tornado. We're spinning. Oh, it stopped. Oh, it came. Ooh, it came by here. See, but Google it, that's why you need to stop hanging around us. You see how we really raw. I'm going to sleep.